Hi, welcome to a new session of Learn German for Beginners. Meine Freunde tanzen gern. My friends like to dance. Meine Freunde means my friends. Meine is the possessive for my with plural nouns like Freunde. Meine Bücher sind neu. My books are new. Meine Schuhe sind rot. My shoes are red. Ich tanze jeden Samstag. I dance every Saturday. Jeden Samstag means every Saturday. Jeden is the accusative form of jeder, means every. Used here with the time expression Samstag, Saturday. Jeden Montag gehe ich. I go every Monday. Jeden Abend lese ich. I read every evening. Deine Gitarre ist alt. Your guitar is old. Deine means your when talking to one person informally. It matches the noun's gender and number. In this case, Gitarre is feminine, so you use deine. Deine Katze ist süß. Your cat is cute. Deine Schuhe sind neu. Your shoes are new. Excuse me, there is a printing error. It is your shoes are new. Deine Freunde gehen am Samstag tanzen. Your friends are going dancing on Saturday. Deine means your when talking to one person informally. Use it before plural nouns like Freunde, friends to show possession. Deine Freunde sind nett. Your friends are nice. Deine Bücher sind hier. Your books are here. Deine Freunde gehen am Samstag tanzen. Am is the short form of an plus dem, which means on the in English. Use it to talk about days or parts of the day like am Samstag, on Saturday. Am Montag arbeite ich. I'm working on Monday. Am Abend sehe ich fern. In the evening I watch TV. Max und Mia, möchtet ihr tanzen gehen? Max and Mia, would you like to go dancing? Möchtet here means would you like when talking to a group. Möchten is a polite way to ask or offer something. Möchtet ihr Kaffee? Would you like some coffee? Möchtet ihr kommen? Would you like to come? Meine Hobbys kosten kein Geld. My hobbies don't cost any money. Kein means no or not any and is used to negate nouns. It works like ein but shows that something doesn't exist or isn't there. Ich habe kein Buch. I don't have a book. Sie hat keine Katze. She has no cat. Katze is feminine noun. Welche Hobbys hast du? What hobbies do you have? Welche means which or what when asking about choices. It's used to ask about specific things like which hobbies do you have? Welche Farbe magst du? What color do you like? Welche Bücher liest du? Which books do you read? I hope it's clear to you. Pause wherever you want to, but don't forget to subscribe and like if you want more lessons in German. Thank you once again.